Hello and welcome back to this new puzzle. Today we are going to make an update on Bitcoin, considering that yesterday we had a very nice bounce during the FOMC meeting. It was very interesting, all of this movement, how the price was developed. We are not going to talk about the fundamental details because many of you knows it, what Fed did last night, but we are going to look at the technical perspective, how Bitcoin is developing, and if we have to look at for a bearish movement, or probably all of this is the beginning of the bullish movement. So let's begin with more details. On the daily chart, as you can see, the price is developing in a very good way. This is very smooth way how the price is accumulating bullish volume here, and it should continue higher. There is a strong reason that I'm still looking at in this way. Let's break it down on a lower time frame. It will be very simple and also interesting. On the other hand, look at how the price is still developing according to the basic or the technical analysis. So we are having higher highs and higher lows. Very simple technique and high probability scenario that may develop. So what is the price actually doing? During this period of time we can see that none of the lows was invalidated. So we can see price created the previous low. We can see the next low that was created, the next one and the next one. But what happened on the other side? So price is not making a new lower low from the lower part of the price development. On the other hand, we can look at the tops, and all the time that price made a new top, look at how it was developed. It was broken by a new price that was developed higher than the previous one. So this is developing in a very beautiful way, in my opinion. As we can see, everything looks fine for the time being. This is what I was looking at during the previous time, as I have shared also on the previous analysis that we are looking at. Price was facing support from the lower part of the structure, a very interesting development, and this time price didn't came so low. All of this was explained also on the analysis that I have shared on my TradingView profile. And look at where do we are now. By creating the higher highs, price is creating this type of price expansion, and it was coming lower again. Another perspective that I was looking at the price was this type of movement in the type of expanding pattern here, a type of expanding broadening pattern. What the price was doing in a specific way in this wave, after we saw that it reached 24,000, we can see that a bearish momentum began at that moment, and price created this pattern here. Probably many of you can think that it is visible when everything has happened. However, this was shared in my public profile, as many of you know it already. We are going to check the previous analysis on Bitcoin, and here it was the previous analysis. As we can see, price made up, down, and on the wave down that I was explaining, the price was at the lower part of the structure. But what happened there, and why the price should continue moving higher, and why was the red scenario? So let's break it down. It looks very interesting. Even if I'm going to remove the channel that I was looking at in the previous perspective, the interesting fact is that this type of channel that was creating in these 2 points was holding the price and it was developing within this pattern. When the price came close to the lower part of the structure, so this is the place where this analysis was shared as well, it was close to 20,000. Let me check it. This is the day analysis. It was close to 21,000. Let's look at the price. Here we had the price when it was shared. It was at this point, 21. It was exactly at this point. And look at what the price did here. We can see that a strong area was found again. Price didn't manage to come close to the support line. This was another scenario that I was going to look at, because it was a high potential scenario, also the bearish movement and after that the bullish movement. So we could have seen also this type of movement. It was a high probability scenario. I was looking to buy it somewhere close to 20,000, as we can see here. I really like this price development. However, the first area showed it to be very strong, combined with the support line of the pattern. This made the things more interesting, and the bounce above the channel, I'm going to break it down on the 1 hour time frame. All of this volume was created after during the FOMC, created the bullish movement that the price is actually moving up. So the first part where we need to focus is the upper part of the pattern, close to 24,200. It's a very strong price level because price should test that level in order to break it, and after that we can see the retest of the top again, the top of the pattern. Top of the pattern comes close to 25,000. It's a very good also psychological target, but it can move also higher. As we can see, during the previous time price tested 22,000 when it broke it, and after that the price increase was with 2,000. So probably from 24 we can see the price also to test 26 this time. So this can happen, and I like these psychological numbers. Both are very strong. 25 will be crucial for this trading, as I see, because we have the upper part of the line, and after that 26 is the next target. So just focus for Bitcoin on these targets. For the moment it is going very well. We can see also any small corrections, so we can't rule out the corrections because it is part of trading, and after that the price should continue moving up again. I don't see any reason for the time being for any sell-off on Bitcoin, so this is a high probability scenario. Bitcoin should continue moving up, considering that all of these higher highs and higher lows are bullish accumulation. So at the moment of time we can see Bitcoin also to increase the bullish theme and to keep moving more higher than we are now. And before continuing with link, I wanted to share with you a short presentation from our sponsor, WhiteBIT. I'll make a brief presentation on the benefits of the WhiteBIT crypto exchange. WhiteBIT is one of the largest European cryptocurrency exchanges. What is really surprising about this broker is that they possess European exchange and custody licenses. WhiteBIT meets the KYC and AML requirements. That means that you will have reliable protection of assets and their securities. You can also make passive income from your money even if you don't intend to invest in certain time periods. Earn up to 30% of passive income on Bitcoin, Ethereum and USDT. These interest rates are impressive compared to other brokers. They have also low trade rates up to 0.1%. You can trade more than 450 trading pairs, and their referral program offers 40% revenue from referral trading commissions. If you want protected funds and earn more passive income, you can open an account via the referral link in the comment section below. So let's get back to our pattern. Here we have link chain. Look at how beautiful the price is blocked within the structures, the upper part of the structure and the lower part of the structure. I really like this type of combination, how the price is developing on a daily chart. Look at how beautiful these long wicks are holding here. Look at the rejection, and also we have strong rejection and the bullish candles at this point. Let's break it down on a lower time frame, and I will share with you also the previous analysis that I shared yesterday. Look at what it was shared in our group yesterday. This is link analysis. It was shared when the price was 6.3, and after that we saw all of this bullish movement. If I'm going to press it run, look at how the price was developed. So from the lower part of the structure we can see that price moved up again. It was very interesting. However, everything moved with Bitcoin. Price reached the first target and it is moving up again. But why all of this bullish momentum was created on link? So let's break it down. We had from the lower part of the structure a lot of support that was coming from these points, and price was coming close to this area again. So this was our wave. Why I use the targets that I was here? Because if you can see, the area here is very dense. It was used 6.8 at this point. Here it was our target, and look at the density of our area. It was a very beautiful area. Look at the price, how reacted close to that zone again. So price keeps moving higher. The price increase from the lower part of the structure until now is approximately 14%, and it keeps moving higher. I really like it how the price is developing. The final target that I would like would be at the top of the structure, close to 7.4. It will be an amazing trade also up to that moment, because we need to be careful, because if price is going to test 7.4 we can see another rejection before it moves higher, or probably price can break out from the support area that we have above 7.4, and after that it can keep moving higher again. So these are high probability scenarios that may happen on Chainlink. I really like how this price is developed here. So let's see during the coming hours, because the price looks very aggressive, and all the crypto market and all the markets are going crazy today after FOMC. Hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button for more future contents. Thank you. Bye bye.